Hi guys, today I'm doing a quick unboxing and setup of the Xiaomi Uodi Fingerprint Padlock. The padlock uses a semiconductor fingerprint chip which has a recognition rate as high as 97.5%. The device allows you to store up to 20 fingerprints at the same time, so multiple people can use the same padlock. In terms of materials, the body is made of high-density zinc alloy and the lock beam is thickened with 4mm stainless steel. At the same time, the lock body has anti-splash and dust-proof protection to make it more safe and durable. After unboxing, the first thing you need to do is charge the padlock. A red light will show when the device is charging, and this will turn off once it's fully charged. After the device is fully charged, it's time to register the admin fingerprint. Firstly, use any finger to unlock the padlock, then choose a finger to use as admin and press and hold the fingerprint module for 8 seconds until a solid blue light appears. Now press the same fingerprint down a further 5 times. A green light will confirm that it has been read correctly. To test the device has successfully registered the fingerprint, lock it and try opening it with the admin finger. Try also testing that it doesn't open with other fingerprints. To register additional fingerprints, firstly unlock with the admin fingerprint, then press down for 5 seconds until the solid blue light appears. Next, press the new fingerprint down for 5 times. After each time, a solid green light should appear to confirm if successful. Next, lock the device and test if the padlock opens with the new fingerprint. And also try testing that it doesn't open with others. Finally, if you ever need to reset the device, firstly unlock, then press and hold the admin finger for 8 seconds until a solid red light appears. Next, release the finger, then press the admin finger once again to confirm you want to reset the device. This will delete all fingerprints. I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.